Hello, my friends. Welcome to Shandong Longzhan machine. Today we are loading our rotary crusher to India. As you can see behind me, we have 2 units of 55 kilowatt rotary crusher export to India. This is the main machine for this rotary crusher, and this is the output discharge conveyor 2 meters for this machine. Here you can see this machine, the rotary plate is diameter 2.2 meters. That means you can put your any kinds of agriculture straw bale less than 2.2 meters into this crusher. Inside this crusher we have big rotors. It has 102 pieces of cutting blade. So with an efficiency working of this cutting blade, you can get a very small size of straw chips, like 3 to 5 centimeters, and will be easily goes to a hammer mill for grinding work. As you can see, this rotary plate we fit with an frequency device. That means you can adjust your rotation speed frequently. And this kind of rotary crusher right now is very popular using in India market, because India is a big country with a lot of agriculture materials. So this kind of rotary crusher very suitable for agriculture waste, paddy straw, corn straw, wheat straw bale, for cutting these materials to small pieces. These finished small pieces of chips will goes to hammer mill and pellet machine to make a good quality pellet. Okay, everyone, if you have any interest in Longzhe rotary crusher for agriculture waste, please send your inquiry to our team. We will give you the best service. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.